How to save location in Google Maps. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So saving location in Google Maps is very easy. All you have to do is first launch your map, then trace the location which you want to save. After that, it will show you this options: direction, start, save, share, and more. In order to save, just select save. You'll have to enter your account, and you also have this option of in which list you want to save. If you want to go there, you can save it in want to go. If you have travel plans there, select travel plans, or you can also create a new list. And just like this, simply select done, and that's it. Now if you want to find your saved collection, all you have to go to is your U section, and here you will see it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.